Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. Today we are in APM once again, and we got the truck here, and then we got the derby car. Yeah, the derby car that we are now starting to restore, and we got actually a good gig going on. We got people online this time to help out, so that's good. But anyway, let's hop in today's video. Alright guys, so I'm going to the repair shop. I guess they got another new repair shop, so that's pretty darn fun, I guess. I don't know. New in the town, new in the city. Not really, I've been here. Oh, wow. Alright, so this is top 10 ways to get the cops off your ass, everybody, alright? What about? I'm going home. I'm going home, alright? Oh, alright, alright, I guess this man's a smart ass, literally. Oh, wow. He does not know I'm driving. Anyway. Now we're here. Alrighty. What the hell was that sound? Hello? Yo? Hey man, where the man at? Where the man at, man? Where the man at? Come on, man. That ain't... Sir, do you work here? Sir. Oh my god, put him some R-Roebuck hearing aids, dude. He does not know how to hear. Oh my, where is the tax support, dude? Oh my god. I guess these people send me at the wrong agency. What do you want? What do you want?
I hear a truck. I think I hear a truck somewhere.
Oh my god, are you sure you're an officer or are you a crack baby? I swear, you sound like you're smoking on something.
There's a truck right there. There he is.
Okay, yup, you're on something.
He's coming. Have on, sir.
Strange characters. They're really hallucinations in my head, I swear. Wow. Wow. Is that... I think that officer's on something. Anyway, how you doing,
yeah,
Mr. Jack? I swear to God, you look fucking buff. Anyway, how you doing?
That's why I hit the gym, boy.
Yeah. How you doing, though?
Pretty good. I'm sorry about I was late. I had to do some stuff.
Oh, no, you're good. So, I got a little offer for you. A little favor for you. Alright, so... You see this little rust bucket that I'm gonna pull out?
Ain't she a beauty?
Oh yeah, that's a beauty, all right. So I'm looking at, all right. I'm looking at for the #1 nicest looking car. All right, give me a cow splattered image with some black tires on them.
Alright. So you want me to make it look like a cow?
Yeah. I wanna go moo, you know.
Yeah, I think I can pull up something.
Yeah, alright.
You want a spotlight on it? Because I just stole one off her cop car.
Sure, just for the, yeah, sure.
Okay. Any upgrades you want me to do to it?
Nope, that's all. Thank you.
I'll call you when it's done.
Alright.
Or you can just stop down anytime.
Actually, this one I'm just gonna leave my trailer back over here.
Okay, bub.
Yep.
There's a little rocky blood. What's a bit of oil grease that I can picture right up. Elbow grease.
Alright, so the car is now done, so we're gonna go grab it and fix it up. What is that my car?
Hey, Mr. Hey, Papa Huey.
Hey, you got the car done?
It's right there in that bay. The first bay. Go take a look. I don't know what's up with the officer over there. I think he's on some crack.
You know what they say.
This way! And this way again! Yes!
I think they're are they using the intercom on that?
Ah, Jesus!
Yeah, they are. Anyway, somebody needs to rip that off of their speakers. But anyway, this actually looks very, very nice, honestly.
It looks even better with that spotlight.
Yeah. You think this would be built good for a derby?
I put a CBL radio in there too.
You put a radio in the car?
Yeah.
Bet no one be listening to music when I'm fucking dead.
And
I'm just kidding. What did you actually? Did you put or no? Those I have to put those in. Actually, never mind. I have to put in roll cage actually, just in case that does happen where the door dents in and kind of kills me.
Yeah.
So.
I put I have something special in there.
Right. But anyway, thank you.
I had a toy scanner.
Why did you? Why?
You never know. You never know when you need them.
Dude, why does it sound like there's a guy named Matt Hardy somewhere around here? Like, what the heck is going... Bro, what crack are you, like... Bro, hold on. We on...
HIV positive Colombian.
Oh, that makes sense. I wanna just... Hey, yo, you wanna just, help me out with the car?
Sure. What you need help with?
Just loading it in.
Sure thing. What? The cop car in the back of my building.
Huh?
There's a cop car in the back of my building.
No, I don't know why.
That cop's on something.
Well,
Here, let me move my truck. Let me move my truck
you're
real
good.
quick. Yo, cop on something.
Yeah, I know. That's what I'm saying. Let's hurry up. These cops are hot for some reason.
Especially for this.
Alright.
Yes! Like...
There you go, bub. And call me if you need anything else.
Yep, I will.
Call me when you want.
Yeah, that cop's drunk or on something.
Definitely.
Go on.
Oh, my bad.
You fine, bub.
Wait for a meeting. I'm late for a meeting.
I'm looking at my rear view mirror and I'm looking at what this cop is doing and he just flipped, who just flipped over like twice when we laughed about it. Oh, and I just oh no. Oh crap. No.
Ah, okay.
Oh, good thing 911's here. Hey. Hey. Oh, ow. Yo.
Fine, it's just your imagination.
Well, you're not part of my imagination, sir. Please do your job and help me out. You can call in for backup.
Where are you at?
I need backup. I need help.
Where are you at?
We need
What
help.
the hell you did, Bob?
Somewhere pretty close to the other gas station by the trailer store, but a little bit down by that first bridge to the left.
What in the hell did you do, bub?
Oh, my bad. Missed a turn.
I think we need.
I can tell.
Yeah.
You need any help?
I think I can't get help.
My other officer's coming. My other officer's coming. Oh,
The truck
Jesus.
don't look the best at this moment.
No.
You might have to get a
There's the
new
other
one.
officers, yeah.
You might need to get a new one, bub.
Alright.
Yeah, you're not.
Here, let me
lying.
take the truck. Sir, can I get the keys? I can probably get this thing out for you.
No, I tried to. I wouldn't want to mess up the
Wait,
engine in it. So I'm just gonna.
Here, can I at least try? That's it. Here, let me at least try. That's a pretty clean
Alright.
hole.
Hey, Bob. Hey,
Back
Bob,
right out of that.
I'm gonna go run down to my shop and grab my semi truck.
Alright.
I mean my record.
Few hours later, trying to get a truck unstuck. That's fine. That's fine. It's fine. It's perfect. Just
Hey man.
I almost
Just your
got it.
imagination.
I almost got it. I genuinely almost had it.
2 hours later.
There you go.
the milk is 100% not gonna grow legs.
Yeah, but the engine is still broken.
It's fine.
Yeah, I know, so call it
Think I
tow
got
truck.
no part.
Hey, Bob, you can borrow my truck. I
Well,
just left it. Mine's at the gas station if you need it.
oh my, alright. Let's see if, yeah. Let's hook that up, yeah.
Here, I'll go ahead and get my truck, and I'll get your trailer for you.
No, I got my truck at the gas station, Bob.
No, he could tow up my trailer back to the house.
I got the ramps.
Yeah, give me a thing.
Alright, I'm gonna.
For what option?
Alright, so sorry about that little accident over there. But we did fix it. We did get the car back over here. Got the trailer. They had to give me a new vehicle. Alright, they gave me a whole new truck, whatever. And yeah, that's really it. Yeah, let's go take this out for a test drive real quick. Alrighty. Oh.
Yeah. So hold up.
Yeah, that was man, hey P! This officer does not know how to drive.
Alright, I got a reason right here in my paperwork. Oh, Jesus. On that side of the road! Get a little bit over here! Nobody pulled you over today, sir?
Why?
Well, you were swerving back there a little bit, and I don't see a license plate. I did not see a license plate on this car.
Well, Here's the thing, Bucko. This is a derby vehicle, and I'm just testing it out. So, I'm just going.
You should be testing out. You cannot be testing out on the roads.
Yeah, I think I know that. That's why I'm just trying to go up and down this road real quick and then go back home. I'm not fucking. Yeah. I'm not stupid. I still got the lights on here, so the only thing I did was take out the exhaust pipe first, and then ripped out the interior. I still got the lights on and everything, so it's still drivable.
Alright.
What are you doing in my car?
I was never in the car, if you
Okay.
can see.
Yep, that was in my imagination.
I'll be escorting you back to your place.
Alright.
Alright, I gotta get the ticket ready and everything. Alright, I'll lay it down.
What the f-
Where have been? I'm the derby cop back here. Oh yeah.
No, oh!
Yeah, this is gonna be a great.
Oh my god, dude. What the heck just happened?
This is gonna be a great ticket, kid.
Oh my god, no.
Yeah. I was such a couple folks. I'm not saying.
Oh no, not the tires. I just broke one.
Oh, right down. Oh, I gotta get that ticket.
Oh, no.
I gotta get that one on ticket. Put that one down there. Yep.
No.
Yo, I'm back. I had to call in some medicine for my grandpa. You're welcome.
Oh crap. Oh.
Oh, no, yes.
I gotta go.
Alright, speeding again. Alright.
I don't know. Okay. What do you want me to ask him?
Alright.
Okay.
Go.
Hey, what?
Officers here.
Oh.
Hello?
Crap. Alright. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I'm hiding from the cops. And this might be not the last you see in AMP, but this is the last time you see me in APM for right now. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Have a good day, sir. Oh no.
Yeah, I'm back here. You gotta pay your ticket.
Oh. Yes, let me in. There you go. Go. Thank you. Oh my god. Okay, I hope you guys have a nice, I hope you guys have a great day. And don't act like this guy. Anyway, have a good one. Bye.